Hello beautiful. Hello, my royal queens, it's Kati here, ready to share with you the latest in beauty and elegance fit for queens. Stay with me and get ready for a stunning look. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, short haircuts that suit all ages, from the young to those 75 and older. If you're looking for a stylish and simple look, this video is just for you. For young women, ages 20 to 40, let's start with younger women. You can go for short hairstyles like the classic bob cut or the pixie cut. These cuts are not only easy to style but also add a modern and unique touch to your appearance, while keeping things natural with darker shades like brown or black. For middle-aged women, ages 40 to 60. When we talk about this age group, practical yet elegant hairstyles are the way to go. Consider options like the layered short bob or a long bob. These cuts add volume and movement to your hair, giving you a look that is both polished and comfortable. For older women, 60 to 75 plus. Finally, for women in this age range, you can still maintain a chic and low-maintenance look. Cuts like the short pixie or soft bob beautifully highlight natural gray or white hair without requiring much daily styling effort. Hair care tips for short hair: we recommend using lightweight products to add shine and vitality to your hair. Focus on scalp care and use natural oils to keep your hair healthy. Avoid bright dyes and let your natural hair color shine through. No matter your age, short hair can make you feel confident and beautiful. Choose the style that suits you and enjoy your elegant and simple look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more hair and beauty tips. Here we conclude our showcase of various short haircuts that we believe will appeal to you. If you enjoyed what you watched, please support us by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell to receive all our latest updates. Let us know in the comments which haircut was your favorite. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.